Hello, you viewers, be named later. How we doing today? I know, big shock. We're taking a look at another piece by CRKT. And that's right, guys, as you know by that thumbnail picture, whatever you clicked on, we're going to take a look at the Apoc. Don't you love it when you get interrupted in the middle of trying to say something? Anywho, so before we get right to the blade, you know CRKT always includes something inside its packaging, and there you go. That's their little ad or little thing for the M1614 SFG. Matter of fact, I think I have a review of that one that I've filmed. I'm just not sure if I posted it or not. Alright guys, well let's get to the fun, right? That's why you're here, is to see the pretty blade. I really like the look of this area up here on the blade. I saw it and I had to have it, especially how it really carried all the way around. I thought that was just phenomenal, and I'm like, daddy likes. It feels really good in the hand. You know, it fits really nice inside that little mitten of mine. And I love the fact, with that little bit of jimping right there, it just adds as a little stopgap for that finger to not go too much further. Okay, so let's get to the fun. Now, this is an Eric Oaks design, O-C-H-S. I hope I'm saying that right. And he is out of Sherwood, Oregon, which isn't too far from my old hometown of Portland, Oregon, so it's just kind of cool to shop local, in my opinion, you know? Alright, let's do the stats like we always do. It's got an overall length of 9 inches, the blade is 4, and the cutting edge is 3.875, and closed, of course, it's going to be 5. It's got a beefier weight to it for a folding blade in your pocket of 6.20 ounces. But I will tell you, you do get used to it, and the only way I can put it is this: you will go pocket blind to the weight after a little bit of carrying it. Okay, now they say it's done in the Warncliffe style with a plain edge, and I'll be perfectly honest with you, all the sites I took a look at, I can't find the grind, so I'm not even going to hazard a guess. The blade steel is 8CR13 MOV. Look, I know, alright? It's a good steel, great budget steel. It's going to hold an edge for a while. You're going to learn how to sharpen your blade to a good perfection. And that's part of the fun of having a blade, right? And as you can see on there, it has that black stonewash finish, which just, in my opinion, takes stonewash to an entirely different level. I love stonewash finishes. It's got, you know, the black coating on the stainless steel frame. You can see the liner lock. And it does have the IKBS system, you know, little ball bearing things in there. That just makes it go right open, nice and smooth. Now, what kills me is some sites I've seen call this a green, we'll call these green scales. That looks more like desert tan, coyote brown to me, not green, you know. You can see some green in there. I just knew it's not green. But it does have a wonderful little lanyard hole sitting right back here. And in case you are curious, yes, it is made in China. Alright, now we're going to do some cut tests like we always do. Now, if you're brand new to my channel, we usually just do 3 and we keep them real simple, okay? If you want to see some mangled up cut tests, go check out my buddy Dual Sport Survival's, YouTube page. He used to be Woodland Tactical, but he rebranded himself and he's back. So if you want to see knives getting massacred, go check him out. Alright, the heavy duty stock paper. Now let's see if we can get that little curly cue. Okay, I'll take that. Now, the huge reason I like to do that is because I've always been taught anybody can take a blade and just go, wow, sharp, wow, sharp. But if you can slowly drag your blade across the top, and it is really sharp, even though I kind of screwed that up a little, you see it's starting to do the curly and bending. That's what should happen. All right? As we usually do, paracord. All right, simple pull test. Dang it, sorry. Didn't mean to smack the camera, sorry about that. Went through pretty much okay. And a slice test. No issue whatsoever. And yep, our friend Mr. Ratchet Strap. No problem. And like we always like to do, I really don't see any paper, fuzzies, any paracord hanging on right there. So cool. Alright. Now, as we always do, we take a look in the 3 main areas to get pricings and ratings. Amazon, CRKT, and Blade HQ. On Amazon, which is where I got it, $65.28. CRKT, $89.99. And where I should have bought, Blade HQ, $56.95. On CRKT and Blade HQ, this model has yet to be reviewed. And oh yeah, crap, I'm sorry. Only one way to carry her. It is a right-hand carry. Tip up. Sorry about that. And over on Amazon, it's been reviewed twice for a 5 out of 5 star rating. I gotta admit, I like it. I have been carrying this thing primarily as my everyday carry since I've gotten it. It's been my primary go-to folder. Most of you know I carry a go-to folder and a backup one, as well as probably a fixed blade. I know, rule of 3 for me, but still. Okay, now, here's the fun part of the video for me. Seriously, this is like the best part for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in those comment sections. I also want to know, do you think she's nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? I like it. Like I said, fits great. It hasn't really failed me yet. I love that look right there. I just seriously love that. It just adds something a little bit extra to a folder to me. All right. So, with that being said, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Look, I know there's lots of options out there, especially with everyone being locked down in quarantine and COVID fun and all that fun stuff, and I'm grateful that you're choosing this video. Now, for you first-time viewers of my channel and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my first question is why? You know, why don't you leave me a comment right down below and let me know what I can do to earn your subscription. You know, be constructive about it. Let's see if we can put it into a future video and earn that subscription, right? Now, after you've done all that, look right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up here in a moment or two. Go ahead, click on that thing. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and done that, if you so choose, please knock out the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos, 2 will be popping up. You know it if you've been watching for a while now. Over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the CRKT Apoc. I hope all of you are staying safe, and I hope you have an incredible day today.